I just walked up in the club, I'm finna kick a body. Shining like the diamonds on my neck, I body. Blessings to be stressed, I body. Got them hoes and I ain't worried about my ex or nobody.
What's up, my queen steppers? We back with another video, and today we're gonna be reviewing Julia hair. Yes, they sent me a headband wig, which is kinky curly wig, and this what came in the packaging. 2 headbands. Yes, they give you some lashes, and of course a head cap. Like what? Like it has to come in there. And now we have the wig. So I'm taking out the package. This is an 18-inch kinky curly. Okay, kinky curly headband wig. Okay, I already laid my edge in that. I was ready for you. You know, I didn't want this video to be too long now. So I got 2 combs in the front. Actually, I think it's 3. Sorry, I only showed you guys those 3. There's 3 all around the perimeter and 1 in the back. And of course, you got the adjustable strap with the headband velcro. And I wanted to go show you guys the back, how you can clip the back with the velcro, the headband, and you just, so easy, you can just snap it right in place with the velcro. And now we're back. So a lot of people leave their headband like this, but if you like wearing skinny headbands, or you want your edges to show, you pull it back like I'm gonna do. Okay, really, I don't think you should have it that far back anyway on your forehead, but you know, that's your preference. So this is how it looks when I fully got it on. I'm just combing through it, playing with the hair. Yes, curls was popping. And I was seeing if when I flip my hair, would you be able to see tracks or not, which is good, because when I flip my hair, you couldn't see none. See? So I liked it that, because most of the time I wear my hair in a flip, but mostly I'm gonna wear it down. I didn't really do that many hairstyles with this headband wig today, because I just like my hair down. That's just preferably me. I like my hair down, honestly. Even wigs, I just like my hair down. So right now I'm just showing how the wig looks. The curl pattern in the back is very tight curl. It's giving me like natural African American hair. That's what it's giving me. Our natural hair. Okay, loves. That's what it's giving me. Woo! Okay. Yes. Yeah. This hair will have you feeling yourself, because that's what I was doing. Now I'm going to show you guys the headbands, how they look on me. Remember, this is what they send in the package. They might send different ones for you, but these are the ones that I received. So I'm going ahead and try this one on over the headband. And I personally like this headband. It's big head friendly because I have a big head, so it looks very good and it's very comfortable around the ears, and it's not just overtaking your ears and making you look like an elf. Like, no. So I personally like this one very much because it matched my top. So I picked this top. This is how the headband looks. Very cute. Okay, very cute and girly. And this, when I stretch it, that's how long it is to my breast. So it's a true 18-inch, but not curly hair, and you know, it shrinks, you know. But I'm really feeling myself once again. Really, police. So here's the second one. This one is also cute. I feel like it's more summer-like. I think they should get like some fall headbands if they're gonna keep promoting the hair. So we're gonna put that on, and I think they should get like fall headbands for the fall. That would be nice. So I'm going ahead and putting that over the black piece of the headband. And I also personally like this too, making sure that all the black is covered. I'm putting that over. And now I'm doing my little dance again. Okay, doing my little dance again. I don't know what song I was listening to, but I was playing music by when I was reviewing this wig, so I don't know what song I was singing, but if you know what I was singing, comment down below if you guessed it, what I was singing. But yes. Also, you can get other headbands. I've been seeing like these rhinestone headbands, which I'm gonna get myself because they're very cute. Okay. Bro, I'm such a brat. So I'm pulling out the side and making sure both the sides are out. And this is how this one look. I love this one, so that's why I put it back on. Like I said, planned it, put the shirt on, matched the headband. So basically this is how it's cutesy. I'm telling y'all I like it. So basically this kinky curly headband wig is made by Julie Hair, as I mentioned before. It's a very affordable wig. I like the texture of the wig. It's giving me very natural hair vibes. It's very easy to put on, as you can see. You can slip this on and keep going about your day. You got an errand or emergency, just put it on. So lay your edges or not. Some people don't like edges, so you can lay that on and walk out the door. If you need a date, you can wear this wig, okay? It just will pop up and show out. Like, I love it. I love it. It's be one of my favorite wigs in the collection now. So thank you, Julia Hair, for sending this hair. This hair and links will be down below if you want to purchase this hair. And I love you, my queen steppers. I see you guys next time. Love you.
I just walked up in the club, I'm finna kick a body.